I'm Hani Mumtazah Sabiarasana and my friend.
I am Agifah Ramatulaini.
We are from a class of IBLP with Mr. Shaifuddin. Now we would like to tell you how to make augmented reality with this picture. Before that,
Firstly, we have download HP Reveal and you must create an account. After that, you must log in.
after you log in, you can make an augmented reality with yours.
From example, we use this.
We choose this picture to make augmented reality. Now, check this out. Hello, welcome back to me and my friend Akifa. Now, we would like to tell you how to make augmented reality. For the first time, you have to have HP Reveal application. Actually, we have done log in and make an account. So,
we can make an account with Google.
yeah, it's
Your
Google
Google.
first.
So,
So now, actually we have this one, but we will tell you how to make it. So I have to delete it first.
okay.
Okay, done. For the first time, you have to click plus here and position the picture until
Until the color
is green, such this one.
just this.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
Uh,
while you are here,
you can
you can choose
choose the picture.
there.
For example, we choose. Okay.
We can search what you would like to. For example, cat. Okay. There are a lot of picture of cat here. Now you can choose one of it, and you choose
This.
one. Yeah. After the picture appeared here, you can click select. Search this one and click next. Give the for example, cat. Give the name and click submit. After you click submit, please wait until the loading is done.
When it is done,
It's done. You can click done here.
so we can.
Just click the blue here and you can start.
This.
Could you see the cut there? Yeah, actually the cut. There's no cut here. A cut. I mean cat. Yeah. But you can see the cat real, right? There's cat. It's so real. Yeah. This is the name of augmented reality. Yeah. You can see the cat over there. Yeah. So we've done. If you have any question, you can ask DM at dsal_ and at kefalaile@gmail.com. So yes, there. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you ya. Thank you. Okay.